Greetings, my fellow math learners. My name is Professor Ramiro Santana, and today we are going to do a problem about integrals using the U-substitution and also calculating within a range from 0 to 1. So we're given this integral from 0 to 1, x plus 1 squared times the square root of 3 plus x plus 3 cubed of that in square root times d of x. Don't forget about the d of x. And so what we have to do here is first find the u, which would be 3 plus x plus 3 cubed, and then you must find its derivative, which is du equals 3 times x plus 1 squared. You're using the chain rule, so you also have times 1 times d of x. And you're left with d of x equals du over 3 times x plus 1 squared. And so with this derivative, you can cancel out the x plus 1 squared. So if we plug it in, and then you also put the u already inside the square root times, you plug that in, du over 3 times x plus 1 squared, and then you can cancel out here, and you're left with this 1/3, which you can take it out because it is a constant. So you have 1/3 integral from 0 to 1 of u to the 1/2, which is the same as square root of u. And so finally you end the integration with 1/3 times 2 u 3 over 2 over 3 from 0 to 1. So now what we have to do now is plug in the u, which is 3 plus x plus 3 cubed, and then plug in the 1 and the 0 in order to get that final answer. So now we have 1/3 times 2 times 3 plus x plus 1 cubed, all of that power to the 3 over 2, and 3 as denominator, ranging from 0 to 1. So we have plugged in the u. Now we can move on and plug in the 0 and the 1 and on the x's. So now we have 1/3 times 2 times 3 plus 8, because when you plug in 1 to the x you get 2, and the 2 cubed is 8 of that over 3, and then we plug in the 0, which is 2 times 3 plus 1, which, over 3. Now we just have to continue that. So we have 1/3 times 2 to the 11 power to the 3 over 2, all of that over 3, minus, so 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 power to the 3 over 2 is is 8. So you get 2 times 8 over 3. And now we can factor out the 2, and they already have a common denominator, so we can subtract these two fractions and put them together. So now 1/3 times 2 to 11 and then you can already multiply the 8 times 2 instead of factoring it out, of that over 3, and then your final result. We don't want to do that 11 to the 3 over 2 because it will give out a really complicated decimal, so let's prefer to do it there. So the final answer is 2 times 11 power to the 3 over 2 minus 16, all that over 9. And then when you do this in the calculator, the final result will give you 6.33. So I hope you understood the concept of integrating and U-substitution, and also how to combine these together. So if you have any other questions, you can find me in the office hours. I hope you understood the concept, and we'll be seeing you soon. Goodbye.